One of the most important current domestic shipbuilding infrastructure projects being developed in the interests of the United Shipbuilding Corporation, or USC, is the floating dock known as Project 24012. This dock has been named Vladimir Emelianov and is being built using a distributed shipyard method. As often explained on Altitude Addicts, the YouTube channel behind this analysis, this approach allows individual blocks to be fabricated at multiple locations and then transported and integrated into a single structure at a final assembly yard, significantly accelerating the construction of very large facilities while making use of shipbuilding capabilities across different regions of the country. In order to understand why this dock matters, it is useful to look closely at its technical characteristics and lifting capacity. Project 24012 is a steel floating lifting and transfer dock with imposing dimensions. It has a breadth of approximately 62 meters, a dock deck length of about 177.6 meters, and an overall length of roughly 189.6 meters. The maximum immersion depth is around 20.6 meters, while the side height reaches about 24.3 meters. Its hoisting capacity is rated at 25,000 tons, and the standard operating crew is expected to number around 21 people. These parameters allow the dock to accept and launch very large offshore structures and ship hulls. Vessels and sections up to roughly 250 meters in length and 48 meters in width can be handled. As highlighted by Altitude Addicts, this dramatically expands the slipway and mooring capabilities of Severnaya Verf and other USC enterprises, enabling the launch of large tonnage hulls, the lifting of ships for repair and anti-corrosion work, and the internal movement of massive blocks within the shipyard water area. Behind these capabilities lies a specific design philosophy and construction method. Project 24012 was developed on the basis of a technical design created by the Almaz Central Marine Design Bureau. Manufacturing is being carried out by the Southern Center for Shipbuilding and Ship Repair at several facilities, including the Krasny Barakati plant and the Astrakhan Shipbuilding Production Association. The distributed shipyard concept means that individual semi-blocks and sections are produced at different sites and later transported to the integrating yard for final assembly and outfitting. Recent reports indicate that several semi-blocks have already been completed. At one stage, 5 units were being formed, later increasing to 8 out of a total of 11. Foundations for equipment and pipeline supports are being installed, pipe fitting and mechanical works are underway, and both internal and external painting is in progress. This segmented production cycle, a topic frequently discussed on Altitude Addicts, allows resources to be used efficiently across multiple shipyards while maintaining a continuous workflow. Functionally, the floating dock, Project 24012, plays several crucial roles for modern shipyards. Its primary tasks include launching large ships and offshore structures, lifting vessels for inspections, repairs, painting, and corrosion protection of underwater hull sections. In addition, the dock supports internal shipyard logistics by moving massive blocks and hulls between slipways, outfitting quays, and completion areas. This versatility makes the dock a critical logistical asset. It reduces dependence on external lifting resources and minimizes long berthing times at limited quay space. From a strategic perspective, the availability of a modern floating dock enhances a shipyard's competitiveness in both domestic and international markets, allowing it to take on more complex orders, reduce operational risks, and shorten construction timelines. The project timeline is closely linked to complex logistics and commissioning plans. According to official statements, dock sections are being launched and delivered in stages, with final hull assembly planned at the integrating shipyard in St. Petersburg. Completion of outfitting and commissioning is currently expected in the autumn of 2027, although exact dates may shift depending on weather, equipment deliveries, and transport conditions. Transporting large semi-blocks requires careful planning. This includes fabrication at southern shipyards, towing and sea transport to the integration site, coordination with port authorities, and the use of tugboats and auxiliary vessels. Even with modern equipment and experienced crews, logistics remains a decisive factor influencing the overall schedule. Beyond technical aspects, the naming and socioeconomic impact of the dock are also significant. The dock honors Vladimir Alexandrovich Emelianov, a veteran of the Great Patriotic War and a hero of socialist labor. This reflects continuity with Russian shipbuilding traditions and contributes to a strong sense of professional identity among shipyard workers. Economically, Project 24012 generates a substantial multiplier effect. It creates jobs during construction and operation, engages numerous subcontractors, and ensures steady workloads for facilities within the Southern Center and Astrakhan shipyards. Over time, this strengthens the broader shipbuilding cluster, supports localization of supplies, and increases the self-sufficiency of Russian shipbuilding for large tonnage projects. Despite its advantages, the project also faces technical and operational challenges. These include installing powerful hoisting systems, ensuring long-term corrosion resistance, conducting buoyancy and stability tests, and achieving precise alignment when joining massive semi-blocks. Equally important are safety certification and the development of emergency procedures for lifting and launching operations. All these factors require careful planning and close coordination throughout design, construction, and commissioning. The long-term reliability of the dock will depend on how effectively these challenges are addressed. In conclusion, Floating Dock Project 24012 is far more than a single piece of infrastructure. It represents a strategic capability that will significantly expand Russia's docking capacity, strengthen shipyard production potential, and enable faster and higher quality execution of large shipbuilding and repair projects. As emphasized throughout this analysis by altitude addicts, the dock's scale and lifting capacity are tailored to the demands of modern shipbuilding, covering both military vessels and large civilian or industrial structures. With block fabrication and assembly progressing steadily, Project 24012 is set to become a cornerstone of USC's dock construction program. If current plans hold, commissioning by the end of 2027 will mark an important milestone for the future of large-scale shipbuilding operations. If you liked the video, please subscribe, share, and like. Also, please take the membership of Altitude Addicts to encourage us.